Hello, hi, everybody. Welcome for the channel. So I'm analyzing now BTC, and I got on trade here. These lines, blue lines, are the PLT levels. These are very important levels. So if this candle breaks this with a strong candle, strong bullish candle, then I'm going to buy. My TP will be here. If it taken rejection and gave a confirmation candle, then I'm going to sell. My TP is here. The plan is simple. My first TP is here, my second TP is here. Let's see what will happen. At present it's rejecting, so that confirms us this resistance line is strong. So I will take pencil. Yeah, it's rejecting, so it confirms this resistance line is strong. So uh, I will wait now for a confirmation candle. Yeah. Today, let's go to our gold, and you can see, guys. Today, my three trade done in XAUUSD, and I captured video also. I will upload that in YouTube. One, two, and three. So successful day today. At present, there is no trade in XAUUSD, so I gone to BTC USD. I got on trade. Okay, it's taken rejection. Next, I will wait for a confirmation candle. I draw here this line. Okay, if candle comes and close below this line, then it will confirm that it's going to. I go through sell setup. Let's see. Wait for it. I want to show you guys something. Wait a minute. Hmm. You guys can see. Wait, I think you guys can see here profit. Today everything is blue. Just that $1 is right. $513 profit today. Bro, $513 profit today. $513. 50,000. BTC ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾದ್ರ the thing the thing should be correct. If you take a trade, then in your mind that wants to be clear why I taken this trade and why it will go through my TP. If it's SL, then accept it. It's waiting time.